Hey, hi. I'm Ankit Agarwal. I'm working with Encora, and I'm working as a global senior director for global security and system architect. I'm responsible for taking care of the entire digital IT landscape across verticals of infrastructure, global security, and architect, and which aligns with the business objectives. So Encora operates from 17 countries, from almost 40 plus offices, with a strong headcount of 9,000. So Encora, being in the software delivery services, we provide very niche services to our clients. When it comes to Encora, we choose our partner ecosystem very carefully, and we also look at the companies, not the product portfolio, but how they innovate. And Veeam has been a perfect example where they have constantly making innovations across this backup space. We have moved from a native on-prem solutions to a SaaS-based delivery organization where we try to keep everything on the SaaS, and the major reason is, since we have offices spread across, we wanted every user to have the same user experience. And going with the basic rules of the backup, where we want the immutability, we want the data resiliency, and we want to adopt to the 3-2-1 rule. So Veeam provides us that kind of solution where I can restore the data in any of the environment wherever possible. When I talk about the benefits which Encora has, we have successfully been able to adopt Veeam as a universal backup solution across all the locations. And I said everywhere, whether it's on-prem, whether it's cloud. Now, Veeam Data Cloud, very interesting thing, and this year we have adopted the solution, and the performance has been so far very good, where the backup time is very less. The latency has been awesome. So it has been a cost effective because the rollout has been uniform across the organization. But whatever the footprint we have been able to leverage the Veeam data platform to back up our systems. We have become truly the solution agnostic. It is giving me more peace of mind, where I can take the backup from anywhere and restore anywhere. Veeam ensures that we have a very high performance and scalable infrastructure, and that directly is proportional to our business needs, and that translates into our providing excellent customer services.